We got some new makeup, we got some new clothes, and we got 2 pairs of footwears. You're just gonna be stunned when you look at those boots that I got. Ah! First things first, hi, this is Maima and welcome back to my channel. We have loads to unpack today and let's get going. Lately I've been shopping a little too much, maybe, and we've got a couple of things from here and there, so let's review them. So diving into makeup first, we have about 5 new makeup products which I'm gonna be reviewing for you guys. You see the gold on my hair? That's this. It's a miracle product. I must say this is what I was waiting for, and this is highly affordable. So this comes from a brand named Lamel, and I think it's an international brand, but I'm not sure. So it was something new that I spotted on Nykaa, and I just had to get it. Like, it looked so pretty, and this is the first one. I think I'm getting all the colors, and it's gonna rain here pretty soon. Coming back. So this is gorgeous. Putting on the product to a palette right before I put it onto my head. I use a brush to just apply it all over my hair, and done. It's just as simple as that. I think this is gonna last me a long time, so that $3.99 is an investment. Is the best money I've spent lately. From the same brand itself, because it was a new brand on my Nykaa page, I got an eyeshadow palette. This is pretty cute. I'm not satisfied with the colors. I'm really not happy because this is too light and this is also too light. Somebody like me who has, medium skin tone, a dusky skin tone, this is not gonna work. But we had a few options, and maybe I just picked the wrong one. I could be wrong, but this color theory is not working for us dusky brown girls. But I love the payoff. Like, you can see it on my eyes right now also. This is the same thing I've used on my eyes. So for the eyeshadow, I used a hack, and it did pay off. So do go to Instagram and check that out. The last product I got from Lamel is this blush, and this looks so cute. Like, look at that pink tone, like it's shining. One of my favorite makeup brands is Smashbox, and there is no doubt they have one of the best Hydra foundations, and those minis I love. Right now also, I got myself this photo finish primer, which is a mini, but I think it's gonna last me really long. The shelf life of this product is 24 months. I'm gonna be done with it, I think, about in 15 days, but I hope it works for more than that because it was expensive. Last but not the least, from the makeup category, we have Smashbox Photo Finish Revitalize 8-in-1 Primer Essence. Now, I don't know how I'm supposed to be using that. I did use it on my bare face, but the spray pump that it has, it's not good. Like, it was sprinkling all over me, it was dripping all over me, and like little to none came onto my face, so I'm not sure how to use it. I might just change the pump and use it another way, but let's see. That's what my first impressions have been of the product. The product can be broken, but I don't see any breakage. I see a perfect product which is sprinkling all over. So the next thing that I got is a bag. It is an essential item for me because my black bag is getting worse. So it's been 4 years to that bag, and I got that from H&M. And the one I got recently is also from H&M, and it's a Hobo bag. So you can use it just like this, or you can use it like you can use it like this. So either if you have like two handles, and this was very cheap on the sale. It was 1400 bucks, and I just really like bags that come from H&M because they have good quality. They do sustain for a long time. And this is super cute. Coming to clothes, the first thing I got is this pair of leggings, and these are absolutely stunning because it's lycra material and lycra and polyester mix, and there's a bit of cotton as well, but this looks amazing on me. Like, it is carving out my body just like I wanted to. It's a body hugging fabric, and this was all about of 1300 from H&M, and this is pretty stretchable. This is a medium size, and you can stretch it up to like a little too much, yeah. The next thing I got is this basic pajamas from H&M also, and this retail for 799 rupees, and it's so soft. Like, when you look at it, it looks cozy, it looks comfortable, it looks like home. And I've been looking for this pajamas everywhere, and after like a really long time is when I found this. And the last thing we have from clothing is this bodysuit, and I just love the fit that it gives me, and the fabric is soft, it's breathable, it's body hugging yet breathable, and it's a bodysuit. Like, being a girl, bodysuit is a blessing. Okay? I don't have to keep tucking in my t-shirt, my shirt, or like a spaghetti every single time. It's just so annoying to keep pulling it down. So recently my parents have come back from Amritsari, and they had to get me something because I really like authentic, regional things. Whenever I go out, I have to find something very regional and very local so that I can enjoy it. So what they got for me is this pair of Jootis, and oh my god, they're so cute. Like, the color, it is such a multi-purpose Jooti, and I think I'm gonna be obsessed with this. Waiting for the weddings to come because this is gonna be my best friend. Last but not the least, so I've got myself a pair of boots, of high knee boots, and you won't believe for what money I got this. Wait, let me show it to you. Girl, this is winning it. This is me in winters because look at it, and it's so soft on the inside, and the color, the money, it's all of 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees. This seems like it's gonna be running my season. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Thank you so much. If you liked the video, please hit me with a thumbs up, a comment will be very much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.